You know, John, when you look at these numbers in the third quarter, strong numbers from Ford, they beat by a wide margin. Company earning 45 cents a share, well above the street expectation of 36 cents a share. Revenue, just over $47 billion, $4 billion greater than what Wall Street was expecting. The metrics within the quarter, you're looking at an EBIT of $2.6 billion for the quarter, flat with comparison to last year. EBIT margin 5.1%, a little below 5.5% last year. And then the other metrics, cash flow, free cash flow of $4.3 billion, well above where they were last year. Each of the divisions, remember Ford breaks it out by their three divisions here. Commercial vehicles continues to do very well, a profit of $1.98 billion in the quarter. Internal combustion engine vehicles, $1.54 billion profit. EVs, despite selling more EVs, they lost more money compared to a year ago. Lost $1.41 billion with the EV business. The tariff cost impact is going to work out to be about $1 billion this year. That's well below what many thought it was going to be when the tariffs were first implemented. And then there's the question about their supplier in upstate New York of aluminum. Novelis is the company. They had an aluminum fire. We did a number of stories about it over the last week and a half. And the question was, how much will it hit the bottom line at Ford? Ford says the shortage of aluminum, and it's not completely knocked out, that plant, but it is substantially restricted in what it produces. The impact will be $1.5 to $2 billion this year at Ford. But the company is announcing that to make up for F-150 and Super Duty production that is down because of the shortage of aluminum, Ford will be boosting F-Series production in 2026 by 50,000 vehicles. They will add 1,000 jobs at their F-Series plants in Kentucky and in Michigan. So that will help them offset some of the impact they're noticing short term in terms of the supply of F-Series pickup trucks. In terms of the guidance, their EBIT guide is $6 to $6.5 billion, down about $500 million compared to what was previously expected for the full year, and their free cash flow for 2025, $2.3 billion. Bottom line is this, John. They are seeing an impact because of the Novelis fire, but they're going to be making up for it by increasing F-Series production next year. And when you look at the Q3 results, they beat the street by a wide margin, earning, 45 cents a share, and the street was expecting 36 cents a share. John, back to you.
Phil LeBeau, thank you. Lots of great detail in there. And the stock off the lows, now down about 2.5.